Ever wondered if your Visa credit card can tap into the convenience of UPI payments? Let's find out. First, open your preferred UPI application on your smartphone. Look for the option to manage or add payment methods. This is usually found in your profile or settings section. Within the payment methods section, you should see an option to add a new card. Select the option to add a credit card. The app will then prompt you to choose the card network. Here, you'll select Visa. Now, you'll need to enter your Visa credit card details. This includes your 16-digit card number, the expiry date, month and year, and the 3 or 4-digit CVV code, which is usually on the back of your card. For security, you'll likely be taken through a verification step. This often involves receiving a one-time password or OTP sent to your registered mobile number or email address. Enter this OTP accurately to proceed. Once verified, your Visa credit card will be successfully linked to your UPI account. You can now select it as your preferred payment method for UPI transactions. When you make a UPI payment by scanning a QR code or entering a UPI ID, you can now choose your linked Visa credit card from the list of available payment sources. This unlocks a new level of flexibility for your everyday transactions.